Hey everyone, it's Gene. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Do you dream of being your own boss and setting your own hours, all from the comfort of your own home? That's what I'm all about. And in today's video, I'm breaking down the top 5 most profitable online businesses that you can start right here in Canada. No matter what your skills or interests are, there's an online business out there for you, and the best part? You don't need a ton of money to get started. We're talking about businesses you can launch from your laptop, sometimes with no money down. Stay tuned because business idea number 3 is a hidden gem that most people completely overlook, but it has the potential to make you serious money. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a booming business model: e-commerce. More people are shopping online every day. Amazon is huge, but there's room for niche markets. That's where Shopify comes in. Build your store with zero coding experience. Create a professional store in hours. Find your niche. Source quality products. Use social media to market. With hard work, build a successful online business. Now let's talk about a business model that's perfect for all you creatives out there: print on demand. Have you ever dreamed of designing your own t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or even wall art? Print on demand makes it possible to turn those designs into a reality without having to deal with the hassle of inventory, manufacturing, or shipping. Here's how it works. You create your designs using free online tools like Canva. Then, you partner with a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Printify. These platforms connect directly to your Shopify store and handle everything else. When a customer places an order, the print-on-demand platform automatically receives the order, prints the product with your design, and ships it directly to the customer. The beauty of print-on-demand is that you can experiment with different designs and products without any risk. Now let's talk about one of the most accessible and potentially lucrative online businesses you can start in Canada: freelancing and consulting. If you have a skill that others are willing to pay for, freelancing is a fantastic way to turn your expertise into a sustainable income. The best part is, you don't need any fancy degrees or certifications to get started. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn have made it easier than ever to connect with potential clients from all over the world. When you're first starting out, it's all about building your reputation. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, you can start raising your rates and attracting higher-paying clients. And here's the key to scaling your freelance business niche down. Focus on becoming an expert in a specific area. Once you've established yourself as a freelancer, you can level up your income by transitioning into consulting. Now let's dive into a business model with incredible potential for passive income: online coaching and courses. If you're passionate about a particular topic and have valuable knowledge to share, this could be the perfect online business for you. Think about your skills and experience. What are you naturally good at? What do people come to you for advice on? Once you've identified your niche, it's time to package your knowledge into a format that's easy to consume and implement. This could be in the form of one-on-one coaching, group coaching programs, or online courses. Platforms like Teachable and Kajabi make it incredibly simple to create and sell your courses online. The beauty of online courses is that they're scalable. You only have to create the content once, and then you can sell it to an unlimited number of students. To market your coaching or courses, leverage the power of social media, content marketing, and email marketing. Let's talk about affiliate marketing and content creation. Recommend products you love and earn a commission on sales through your affiliate link. No need to create your own products. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Find affiliate programs that align with your niche. Popular options include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate. Create valuable content to attract your audience. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media posts, podcasts, or email newsletters. Be authentic and transparent. Don't promote products you don't believe in. Focus on high-quality content and genuine relationships. So there you have it, the top 5 profitable online businesses you can start right here in Canada. Whether you're passionate about e-commerce, love designing, have valuable skills to offer, or want to share your knowledge with the world, there's an online business out there for you. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Don't let fear or overwhelm hold you back. Choose one business idea that excites you, do your research, and start building your dream online business today. Which online business idea are you excited to start? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.